Quick question. Exactly how many hours has your staff worked today? Can you answer in 3 seconds? Or are you opening WhatsApp, calling a manager, or making a guess? Because here's the uncomfortable truth. If you don't know what your staff is doing right now, you're not managing your business. You're reacting to problems after they happen. And that delay, it's quietly costing you money every single day. This video will change how you run your store forever. I'm going to show you every single feature of Zon Staff Management, the app that gives Shopify POS store owners complete real-time control of their entire team, schedules, attendance, payroll, commissions, tasks, time off, all of it in one place. By the end of this video, you'll be managing your team like an operator, not just an owner. Let's go. Before we dive in, 3 things you'll need. 1. An active Shopify store with POS enabled. 2. You must be logged in as the store owner or have admin permissions. 3. Install Zon Staff Management from the Shopify App Store. The link is in the description. It is completely free. One quick tip before anything else, make sure your POS devices are updated and connected to your Shopify account. This saves you from headaches later. Got all 3? Good. Because what I'm about to show you is going to make you wonder how you ever ran your store without it. When you first install the app, you land here, the onboarding page. Think of it as your launchpad. It walks you through 3 steps, and I want you to follow each one carefully because this is where everything begins. Step 1, view the web portal. This is your command center. From here, you can manage clock in and out, watch your team in real time through the manager view, review personal profiles and shifts, assign tasks, handle time off, and see full shift history. Everything a store manager dreams of in one clean dashboard. Step 2, enroll your staff. And I'll show you exactly how to do this in just a moment because Zon does something most apps don't. It lets you add both Shopify staff and non-Shopify staff. Warehouse workers, drivers, cleaners, everyone on your team, not just the ones with a Shopify login. Step 3, add the app to your Shopify POS. Click the button, go to your POS settings, select Zon, click Add, Done. Once all 3 steps are complete, hit Mark as done and you're live. Now, before we add your team, let me show you something most people skip and then regret later. You need to add Zon tiles to your POS smart grid. This is how your staff actually uses the app on the POS device. And there are 2 ways to do it. On desktop, go to Point of Sale, then Settings, then POS Apps. Find the tile you want, click Add, Done. On mobile, open the Shopify POS app, tap Add Tile, tap App, select Zon Staff, tap Add, and save. 30 seconds. And once it's done, your team has everything they need right there on the POS screen. No extra apps, no extra devices. Now, the part that makes Zon genuinely different from everything else out there. Go to the Staff tab. You'll see 2 tabs, Shopify staff and non-Shopify staff. Most time tracking apps only work with people who have a login. Zon doesn't care. If they work in your store, they're in Zon. Let me show you how to add a Shopify staff member. Click Add Shopify Staff. Fill in their name and email. Phone number is optional. Now choose their position. Owner has full control. Manager can handle most operations. Staff gets basic access. Choose carefully because this determines what they can see and do inside the app. Now set a 4-digit PIN. This is their key. Every time they clock in at the POS, they enter this PIN. You can create your own or hit Generate Random. Just make sure you actually tell them what it is. Next, location access. If they work across multiple stores, choose All Locations. If they're dedicated to one outlet, pick Specific Location. Then, payroll. Set the currency, choose hourly, weekly, or monthly payroll type. Enter the amount and choose cash or bank transfer as the payment method. Review everything. Hit Save. And just like that, they're in your system, tracked, and ready to clock in. Adding non-Shopify staff? Identical process, same tab layout, same fields. Perfect for the people who work for your business but never touch a POS device. Need to find someone later? Use the search bar. Need to edit or delete? Check the box next to their name and you'll see the options instantly. Here's something that will blow your mind the first time you see it. Click on any staff member's name. You're now inside their full profile. And this is where Zon becomes something no spreadsheet could ever be. You have 3 tabs: Overview, Commission Program, and Payroll. The Overview tab is extraordinary. In one single view, you can see their total earnings, total hours worked, working hours after breaks, break time, commission earned, amount paid, amount unpaid, absent days, unpaid salary, total transactions, bonuses, total leaves, paid leaves, and unpaid leaves. That's the kind of visibility that used to take hours to compile and was still wrong half the time. Scroll down and you get a daily activity log, every shift, every clock in and clock out, every break, every day. And if someone forgot to clock out, you can manually add or edit the time right here. No data loss, no payroll mistake. Hit Export and you get a clean Excel file ready for your accountant, your payroll provider, or your own records. The Commission Program tab shows every commission they've earned, order by order, amount, payment status. Crystal clear. The Payroll tab shows their full payment history, every single transaction. No surprises, no disputes, just facts. Want to see your entire team at once? Go to Reports. The Overview dashboard shows you everything: total staff count, active staff right now, total working hours across your entire team, total breaks, total absences, total earnings, paid amounts, unpaid amounts, leaves, commissions, and bonuses. Use the date selector to zoom into any time period. Compare this week to last week. Spot patterns. Catch problems before they become expensive. The Daily Activity tab gives you a minute-by-minute log of everything that happened, who did, what, when, and where. Click Export and it downloads as a clean Excel file, perfect for payroll audits. The Staff Activity tab shows every clock in, clock out, and break across your entire team. Filterable, exportable, completely transparent. This is the kind of reporting that used to cost thousands in dedicated HR software. With Zon, it's free. Go to the Schedule tab. You can view by week, month, or year. To create a shift, hover over a staff member's row on the day you want. Click the plus icon, confirm the staff name, select their location, pick the date, set the start and end time. You can even add breaks. Lunch from 1:30 to 2:30, for example. Want this shift to repeat? Check the Repeat Shift box and choose weekly, monthly, or yearly. One click, done. Need to edit a shift? Hover over it, click the pencil icon, make your changes, hit Update Shift. Before you start scheduling, go to Settings and set your holidays first. Zon will automatically prevent you from scheduling shifts on those days. One of those small details that saves a massive headache later. You can also color code locations, copy an entire week's schedule with one click, print the schedule, or clear all shifts and start fresh. Complete scheduling control from one tab. This is the feature that gets store owners genuinely excited. Go to Commission Program and click Create Program. Give it a name: summer sale bonus, weekend commission, whatever works for your store. Choose the type. Fixed amount, like $5 per sale, or percentage, like 10% of every transaction. Toggle on Calculate Commission. After discount if you want commission based on the final sale price. Setting up a limited time promotion? Check Limited Time Commission and pick your start and end dates. On the right, select which staff members are eligible. Then choose which products earn commission, all products or specific ones. For specific products, you can set different commission values per item and use Bulk Update to apply the same value across many products in one click. When a sale happens at the POS, the staff member or manager assigns the commission directly from the Order Details page using the Zon Staff block. Only eligible staff can be selected, so every commission is recorded accurately, automatically, and without any arguments. Payroll time? Go to the Payroll tab. Every staff member's full pay package is right there. Salary, commissions, payment status, everything. To pay someone, click Create Payouts next to their name. Review their total earnings and commissions. Choose the payment type: salary, commission, or bonus. Select the payment method: cash, bank transfer, or check. You can even upload a receipt or proof of payment right here. Click Save to record the payout. One important note: Zon tracks payments but does not transfer money automatically yet. You still pay your staff through your own method, but Zon records everything perfectly, so you always know what's been paid, what's owed, and to whom. And automated payments coming very soon. Go to the Tasklist tab and click Create Tasklist. Give it a name: morning stock check, closing duties, whatever your team needs. Add a description, assign it to staff, managers, or both. Choose the location. Set the timeline: daily, weekly, or monthly. Add individual tasks, drag and drop to order them, and save. Your team sees their tasks on their POS device or the staff portal. They tap a task, click Complete, and the progress bar updates in real time. If someone makes a mistake, they click Mark Incomplete to revert. Clean, accountable, real time. Go to the Time Off tab. You have default policies built in, paid and unpaid, and you can create custom policies like sick leave or emergency leave with one click. Give it a name, choose paid or unpaid, set the default daily duration, and save. Staff submit requests from the POS or staff portal. They pick their dates, choose a policy, write a reason, and submit. Managers get an instant notification. They review and click Approve or Decline. And if a manager has already decided, but you want to override it as the owner, you can. You always have the final word. 2 final things before you go. In Settings, you can fine-tune exactly how Zon works for your store. Deduct break time from total hours. Calculate salary from the first clock-in date. Prevent breaks after a scheduled shift ends. Let managers see payroll stats on the POS. Set absence rules. Configure holiday rules so those days never count as absences. And finally, the staff portal. This is a web link you share with your team. They open it in any browser, no POS device required, and they can see their shifts, clock in and out, check their hours, submit time off, and complete tasks. Your team, fully connected from anywhere. And that is Zon Staff Management. Every feature you just saw is available right now on the Shopify App Store. Clock in and out, live manager view, auto payroll, scheduling, commissions, tasks, time off, reports, all of it in one app inside Shopify POS. The store owners who are winning in retail right now are not the ones working harder. They are the ones who can see everything and act on it in real time. Zon gives you that visibility, starting today. The install link is right below this video. It takes 5 minutes to set up. And the first time you see your whole team tracked, scheduled, and managed from one screen, you'll wonder how you ever ran your store without it. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more Shopify POS tutorials every week, and drop a comment below. What feature are you most excited to use first? I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one.